service. I started my service career after training just from here, few steps away from same village, because this academy was my first posting and I was staying in other building beside of this mess. And I am leaving the service, I am leaving from here only. In 38 years, many things has happened in the service life, but I don't have any grievances that I should tell that I could not get anything from the service. Great man says that achievement is not that what we get. Achievement is to be measured what we have given to the service, and that will be judged by the others. That will be judged by the service, that what I have given to the service, that will be my achievement. इस 38 साल में मुझे कोई ऐसी दिक्कत नहीं हुई सर्विस में, और मैं जो यंगर लॉट है, जो सीनियर्स हैं, दे आर ऑलरेडी नोइंग दिस थिंग्स, जो यंगर लॉट है उनको कहना चाहता हूँ कि सर्विस अच्छी है. Our main motto is to fight and win the war. So situation changes. Sometimes we may have tough time, but we should not have any complaint because we are made for that. मुझे ये याद आता है कि न मोहब्बत न दोस्ती के लिए वक्त रुकता नहीं किसी के लिए. न मोहब्बत न दोस्ती के लिए वक्त रुकता नहीं किसी के लिए. अपने दिल को न दुख दे यूं ही इस जमाने के बेरुखी के लिए. वक्त के साथ साथ चलता रहे यही बेहतर है आदमी के लिए. क्योंकि हमारे लाइफ में टाइम आते हैं and we must change ourselves according to the time. Before 30 years ago, I have transformed from the civil life to the service life, and again after 30 years, I have to transform myself from the defense life to the civil life. So this all with the time we require to change. We are going to the different places we require to change. Because one important slogan is there that change is the only thing which never changes. Because change is a natural phenomena, it has to come in the life. It is our smartness that we have to trim ourselves, we have to adapt, we have to imbibe and move with the time. When time demands, we must be able to have the tough life also, and when we are getting time to enjoy, we must enjoy. One suggestion is there, please stay, it is a good service. There is no problem in this. Outside also, if you are going, you have to struggle for the job. There is no so easy to get the job. लेकिन अगर किसी ने वेल प्लान किया है, अपने लाइफ को प्रिपेयर किया है, तो देयर इज नो हार्म. इट इज पर्सनल डिसीजन, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इट्स अ बेटर प्लेस टू स्टे. आपको हर चीज मिलती है सर्विस की, और whenever you are in need of help, service is always ready to help you. It is my personal experience. When I was in need, more than my family, service has helped me. So that is only my advice to our junior lords. So I don't want to take much time, क्योंकि गनीमत जानिए मिल बैठने को, गनीमत जानिए मिल बैठने को, जुदाई की घड़ी सर पे खड़ी है. अभी हम सर्विस से निकलने वाले हैं, चले जाएंगे, लेकिन सबको एक दिन जाना ही जाना है. कहते हैं कि दर्द के हद से गुजारे तो सभी जाएंगे, दर्द के हद से गुजारे तो सभी जाएंगे, डूबे या तैरे किनारे तो सभी जाएंगे. कोई कितनी बुलंदी पे चला जाए, आसमानों से उतारे तो सभी जाएंगे. तो हम वक्त से गुजरना है, बट वही we must be prepared to take it very easy. I know to trim or to adopt the civil life will be not so easy. Whoever is going after the putting up 38, 39 years of service, because we are totally chained to the service life. We don't know how to deal with the civil people. It is going to be difficult. बट अगेन वही 38 ईयर्स वाली पुरानी चीजें याद करेंगे। जब हम स्कूल में थे, कॉलेज में थे, जब हम अपने गांव में जाते थे, उन्हीं चीजों को फिर से रिकलेक्ट करना है। अब वी हैव टू मूव फॉरवर्ड विद दैट मेमोरीज, और वो जो अपनी अकल थी, स्मार्टनेस थी, उसको लेके चलना है। क्योंकि अब सर्विस वाली न तो हमें डिसिप्लिन मिलने जा रही है, न ही इजी लाइफ मिलने जा रही है। लाइफ विल बी स्लाइटली डिफरेंट, but I am confident that everyone, those who are going, they will adopt it and they will be very comfortable with that. With this, I want to end because many more people are there.